Welcome everyone to Crafting with Julia. If you're new to my channel, my name is Julia and I'm so glad you tuned in today. Welcome everyone to my backyard. Tonight I'm going to be hosting a barbecue. I have some friends coming over and I wanted to just show you my table setting. It's in the sunflower theme, which is my favorite flower. And this basket I made using coffee filters. I made the sunflowers and the cattails, all with coffee filters. And that video will be coming up shortly. I'll leave a link in the description. Also, stay tuned at the end of this video. I have something special for you. I don't normally do recipes. I'm not a cook, but I have this great recipe. It's so tasty and so good. It's called orange fluff, and I'm going to be serving it for dessert. And it's nice and light and fluffy and tasty, and it's a great way to end my barbecue. So stay tuned. For my barbecue today, I'm going to whip up this sweet, smooth, and luscious dessert. It's called orange fluff. You just make it with a few ingredients. You will need a 3-ounce package of orange Jell-O, a 3.4-ounce package of vanilla pudding instant. You need mandarin oranges drained, an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip, and some marshmallows. For the first step, you're going to mix the Jell-O with 1 cup of boiling water. Okay, I'm going to pour the water in there. Oh. Okay, and you're going to whisk that around. Okay, then I'm going to add 1 cup of cold water. And now I'm going to just place this in the refrigerator. I'm going to put some plastic wrap over it and place it in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, let me go do that and I'll be back. Okay, we're ready for the second step. So I removed the mixture from the refrigerator, and now I'm going to add in the dry instant vanilla pudding mix. And using a rubber spatula, you're just going to mix it in, scrape the bowl. Scrape the sides, and you're going to wait for the pudding to dissolve in the mixture. And then to get those lumps out, just use your whisk to get all the lumps out. Okay, so once that's dissolved, I'm going to cover the bowl again with plastic wrap, and I'm going to put it back in the refrigerator for another 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so let's put the plastic wrap back on, and we'll put it in the refrigerator, and we'll come back for the final step. Okay, we're ready for the last step. So I removed the mixture from the refrigerator, and I'm going to pour it into my bowl. I'm going to scrape all the sides, get all that goodness out. Okay, now at this point I'm going to fold in the mandarin oranges, which I already drained. Now for the good part, the Cool Whip. So we are going to now fold that into the entire mixture. Okay, you're going to fold that in. Oh my God, this smells so good. It smells exactly like a creamsicle. This is a great dessert for summertime. It's nice and light and refreshing and so tasty. This is a crowd pleaser. Who doesn't like a creamsicle? So I'm just going to mix that around. Get all that Cool Whip melded into the mixture. Maybe use my whisk. That will help. Yeah, that's much better. That's just Petey. Petey's barking. Probably the UPS man is here. And now we're going to add in some mini marshmallows. Okay, so now I'm just going to put this back in the refrigerator and wait for it all to set. That should take about an hour. And it'll be all ready to serve. Thanks for watching.